Hello everyone. So today I once again bring video on resume. One of my subscriber requested me to make a video on resume. So here is my resume for you all, and if you also have any kind of suggestion or any kind of request, you can comment me on the comment box given below. My subscriber who has requested me to make this video. So now let's see.
ऑनलाइन चैनल्स इट हेल्प मी अ लॉट। इस चैनल से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, लेसन प्लान, रिकॉर्डेड रिज्यूम, एप्लीकेशंस। आप प्लीज़ रिज्यूम में और भी वीडियो बनाइए। माय रिक्वेस्टिंग यू प्लीज़। थैंक यू मैम।
And now let's go straight to our desktop. And here we will have to search for Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, now this page will pop up, and here we will have to write a resume in bold word. So for that we will have to choose one cell, or we can say one table, because we have to make outline for resume. Okay, now we are going to make one page resume, sorry, 2-page resume we are going to make. And if we want a resume in which you will have to show columns for all your details, for all your education, you can check it on my channel. Now we are going to write a resume in bold word. So here I am going to change its size, and here I am going to change its fonts also. And now it's done, and we have to be sure that we write a resume at the center of our page. Now here we will have to write biodata, including our name, our address, contact number. We will have to write all this. So let's write it. Okay, like this we have to write our biodata. Be sure not to add unnecessary things into it. Just your name, your contact number, and that's it. No need to add all the other things in biodata and to make it lengthy, because you should always write biodata in only 2 or 3 lines. Now as if you can see that we have done writing our biodata. Okay, like this we have to write it. And here in the right side I'm going to draw square shape, and there you have to stick your own picture. And here we have to write career objectives. You can see what I am writing here, and you can also write the same thing in your resume. If you want the PDF of this resume, please do not forget to check the description box below. There I have give the link of the resume, so please do not forget to check that. Okay, now here I am writing my career objectives. It's taking little time, but I'm making sure that I do not make it lengthy. Okay, like this we have to write all the things into it. Okay, now I'm done, and you can see this very simple, very easy resume that I write here, and it is of 2-page resume. You can very easily make it by yourself. So this is the first page of my resume, and this is the second page of my resume. You can also go for the 1-page resume if you wish. So if you like my video, Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe it. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.